Hi guys, we're gonna try another Universal Yums box. I'm not sure which country it is, but we will soon find out.
Korea?
It was Korea. Korea as a whole. I think last time it was like specifically South Korea. This time it's Korea as a whole. Very interesting. Stickers.
Maine.
Boys.
What's that?
There's some fancy stuff going on here. You
Oh,
want to go
God.
get the paint out of the way first?
Yeah, let me go get a bottle.
It looks like we have some sweet and spicy teokbokki flavor, wheat and rice mix.
It's gonna take. I feel like it's gonna taste like toffees.
Kind of look like toffees.
Oh God!
Yeah.
It smells like a Talkie.
Looks like it's spicy.
It smells like a Talkie. Hang on.
Well, I can't find a lot. Here we go.
Oh, it's cold.
It's got some kind of coating on it for sure.
I'm gonna puke.
You ready?
No. They're sweet.
Taste-wise, they're tasty. I like the way it tastes.
The spice is kicking in.
Not really for me yet. It's a light tingle. Not a real burn.
It's not that spicy. I just don't like the feeling. But it doesn't taste bad. I like it.
I like these.
It has like a glazed coating.
Zero out of 10. 0 out of 10.
Why?
What do you rate it?
Probably a 7 out of 10.
Yeah.
I like it.
I'm like an 8. 8.5. They're really good. Alright.
Ooh, those are good.
Honey butter pretzels. Crispy baked snack.
Oh, the mini. Mini.
Ready?
Ow. Ew.
Just like movie theater butter. Almost.
2 out of 10. I don't like that.
I actually don't mind it. But for me, it's probably like a 6.5.
Ew.
Tastes like movie theater butter, don't it?
I hate
Like what they put on popcorn. Sorry. That's some water. Let me clean it.
Go get your
Will you grab
own.
me one, please?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Anything sweet because I'm dying. It does not taste good. I'm seeing some things I like the look of. Those look good.
Give these a try.
Yeah.
I have no idea what that says. Peach gummies.
I wonder if these are the peely gummies. I can't tell. This is probably going to be really good, or
Like I was saying
okay,
earlier, that my I really like the South Korea. box we were talking earlier today.
Yeah.
So far, I do like this one.
I don't know, the one with the gummy turtles was my favorite.
Ooh.
Oh, they're cute. It's
Shaped
like a heart.
like a heart peach. There's like some filling inside of it.
Okay, 3, 2, 1. Oh, it's cold. Oh, it's like a soft gummy and then a harder gummy. Actually good.
Well, nothing wrong with that.
It's good.
It's all fairly, looks like natural stuff too, like it's not full of like a bunch of crap.
I can't reach.
Only 1.7 ounces
It's good.
gummies in there.
Very clicky. Like this.
A choco pie. Black sugar milk tea. I think this was in the last one.
No.
Korean box. Not the last box, but the Korean box that we had. Maybe.
I think it was the coffee one.
Well, I know we've had a coffee cake before, but I'm not sure which.
Oh, we had a strawberry one.
Yeah.
Like a strawberry coconut one.
Yeah.
You're making a mess.
It's like marshmallow.
I don't care what piece I have.
Both hands out so you don't drop a bunch. It's kind of like. Yeah. Ready.
That's good. I got hill and milk, but I don't care.
Yeah.
I have coffee.
Yeah, it's a coffee flavored like moon pie, pretty much. Not bad.
I think that's the gun.
I'm not sure. I think these are chewies. Sweet and sour chews. Blueberry soda.
Ew. I wonder if it's gonna be fizzy.
That'd be cool. Alright. Let's see.
I'm excited for that. It looks like gum.
Kind of does.
It smells so good.
Does it? Yeah, it does.
It looks like gum.
It's got like an eyeball or something on it. Ready? Yeah. I could eat a bunch of those.
Here you go. That's good. Kind of sour. Chewy.
Very true. Yeah.
I could chew that all day.
Yeah, that's a big good one. I like that.
That looks good.
Queen's Secret Recipe. Strawberry. Looks like strawberry cookies.
Ooh, they come in different packaging.
This is two.
Ooh. Oh, it smells like cheesecake, like strawberry cheesecake kind of.
This kind of smells good.
3, 2, 1. I could eat 1,000 of these.
This is like a Ritz cracker, but 1,000 times better. And then the strawberry stuff on the inside is very like light and delicate. And it's very tasty.
Crunchy. I know one. They're good. Gotta break it in half.
Try.
The feeling about chocolate's so good.
Wow. All right. What do you think?
Good.
Yeah, I like those too. All right, guys. Thanks for stopping in and checking out these snacks with us. We'll put up another video next month. See ya.
Bye.